Good morning, students and parents of AM Hate. This is Miss Gonzalez. I hope everyone is healthy and safe right now and staying indoors. I wanted to show everyone how to get to the online learning platform. Okay, so we're going to start by going up to the web address that's up here. We're going to highlight and delete. We're going to enter in fwisd.org backslash my FWISD. Okay, so that was fwisd.org backslash my FWISD. Go ahead and hit enter. You'll see that it takes us to our portal, and this is where we sign in. This is where your child will need to go to every day, okay? They get logged in on this page. It will take them to another site with everything they need for their online learning, okay? So we're going to go ahead, click sign in. The sign in is going to be the letter S, lowercase, and then your child's 7-digit lunch ID number, okay? So let me go ahead and put one in. Okay, so lowercase s, and then their 7-digit ID number. The kids know it as their lunch ID number. After that, we put at stu dot fwisd dot org. Okay, so again, it's lowercase s, their student ID number, at stu.fwisd.org. You're going to click next. At this point, we're entering our passwords. I have texted parents usernames and passwords. I did that yesterday, which was Wednesday, April 1st. So everyone should have their username and their password at this point. I'm going to go ahead and type my password in. Click sign in when you're ready. It may ask you if you want to stay signed in. That's up to you. I'm going to click no. If you have multiple students or several children in the house using one piece of technology to log in, you might not want to save the login. All right, so this is the Launchpad. That's what it says right up here in this corner. These are all kinds of apps that students can use online. Students are familiar with Achieve. If you're looking for something for them to do, and while we wait for the online learning to start on Monday, you can have them do some Achieve lessons. All they do is click on it, and they'll know what to do from there. They're very familiar with Achieve. Now, the most important app on this page is Google Classroom. The most important app is Google Classroom. This is where the online learning will be taking place, where lessons and videos and everything the students will need to do their assignments will be housed on Google Classroom, okay? Before we click that, if we go up to this corner here and we click on that arrow, it will show you who is signed in. So if you have several students using one piece of technology, we want to make sure that we're signed in under the correct name. All right, we're going to go ahead, click on Google Classroom. Okay, it might ask you to verify. Just check that that's your ID and click continue if it does. If not, you should end up on this page right here. And on this page, you'll see that we have some classes. We've got 4th grade writing and 4th grade math. In the next day or two, there's going to be more classes added. You'll see science, social studies, and reading. Okay. All of those classes are going to have assignments. So when you click, let's go to 4th grade writing, You'll see that I have posted on here for students. If they want to read and test on books, they're just going to click on that link. Okay, but if we go back to my page here, you'll see the assignments will be posted right here. There'll be things for them to watch, things for them to work on. All the students will have to do is click. Okay, to get back to the main page, you can simply go up to these 9 dots right here and click on it. Click Classroom. It'll take you right back to the main page again. If one of the teachers needs you to actually add the class yourself, what you would do is go up to this little plus sign. It says Join Class. You click on it, and there's a class code that you will type in. Okay, that code will come from that teacher. If you haven't received a code for anything yet, don't worry about it. We can go to 4th grade math, We can see that Miss McGuinn has posted the schedule for math, okay? And somebody has already replied. We've got an assignment here. Okay, so that is how we get to Google Classroom. This is where your child will need to start on Monday, April 6th. Okay, I will be sending out a schedule as well so that you will know when they need to log in and which class they need to attend. Please call or text me if you have any questions.